Hey beautiful ladies! Watch Krystal dye her own hair and create the most beautiful makeup looks. Going for an olive green hair color this time. Are you ready to see it step by step? Applying the hair dye from the roots to the ends. This is definitely the prettiest hair color for the summer. Don't you guys agree? She's going for blue hair this time and then adding a little bit of makeup. Repeating the same steps as before, applying the dye from the roots to the ends. Starting off with the perfect foundation base, adding it all over the face. Adding a decent amount of concealer so the face gets that lifting effect. Time to set the face with a loose and powder, and then adding that beautiful transition eyeshadow all over the eyes. This makeup look and hair color is definitely looking so pretty. Are you ready for some pink in your life? Getting that perfect foundation base makes it makeup flawless. Making those eyes colorful for this makeup look. A little bit of shimmer on the eyes is definitely a must for the summer. A winged eyeliner with a pair of beautiful falsies on top is the key to a perfect makeup look. Such a lovely turnout! Would you guys try this?